Hi everyone, welcome to this training video. This is SAP FICO Training for General Controlling and Cost Element Accounting. In particular, today we are talking about actual postings. Today is November 13th, 2024. If these videos are helping you with your SAP FICO training journey, please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the chat. Let me know how many years of SAP FICO training experience you have. As you all know, I like to format the information I provide you in question and answer format. Without further delay, let's get into it. What are the subtopics for actual postings for general controlling and cost element accounting? Manual reposting and activity allocation. What are actual postings within cost element accounting used for? To reclassify costs within controlling. Focus, manual reposting. What is the purpose of manual repostings? Manual repostings of costs are used to correct posting errors in controlling. What is a scenario that would call for the use of manual reposting? A posting is entered to the wrong cost element, so a manual reposting is used to repost the cost to another cost element. Menu path to manual posting transactions. Accounting, controlling cost element accounting, actual postings, manual reposting of costs. This is how the menu path to manual posting transactions in SAP looks. SAP menu, accounting, controlling, cost element accounting, actual posting, manual reposting of costs. Alternatively, what are the T codes to manual reposting costs? These guys. This is T code KB11N, which is used to enter manual reposting of costs. Select a screen variant depending on what type of sending and receiving controlling object you will repost from and to. The default value will always be the last screen variant used. Click the drop-down list to see the available screen variants for reposting costs. These are the available screen variants for reposting costs. Select Cost Center. The screen changes to include the old cost center, which is the original cost center to repost from, and a new cost center. Let's discuss some of the entry data fields and columns on this screen. Controlling area, the controlling area where the reporting is taking place. Document date, the date of the reposting. For CO, internal documents, normally it's the same as the posting date. Posting date, date of the reposting, which is used to determine the period for reporting. Cost center, old, the cost center that was originally incorrectly posted to. With other screen variants, you can repost from internal orders, work breakdown structure elements, WBS, and other controlling cost collecting objects. Amount/currency, amount and currency to be reposted. Cost center new, this cost center will receive the reposting. Cost center new, this cost center will receive the reposting. Once changes are made, save your entries by clicking the Post button. As a result, the original cost center that was debited in the original document is now credited, and the new cost center gets the debit and is charged with the cost. The same cost element is used. That concludes manual reposting of costs to cost elements. For our final topic in manual postings for general controlling and cost element accounting, let's cover activity allocation. Activity allocation. What does activity allocation allow? Reallocation of costs from one cost center to another using activity types. What are activity types? Objects used to record activities in SAP S/4HANA. Give me a detailed description of activity types. Activity types are tracing factors that can be used as allocation basis during activity allocation. What is an example of an activity type? Labor hours. What is activity allocation sometimes referred to as? Direct activity allocation. Menu path for activity allocation. Accounting, controlling, cost element accounting, actual postings, activity allocation. This is how the menu path to activity allocation in SAP looks. Alternative T codes for activity allocation. These guys. This is T code KB21N, which is used to enter activity allocation. Let's discuss some of the fields and columns on this screen. Controlling area. The controlling area where the reporting is taking place. By default, this value is the last controlling area used. If you need to change this value, you can set a different controlling area with T code OKKS. Document date. Date of the activity allocation. Posting date. Date of activity allocation, which is used to determine the period for reporting. Sender cost center. The cost center that currently holds the cost. Sender activity type. The sender activity type used to allocate the cost. Receiver cost center. The cost center that will receive the cost after the activity allocation. Total quantity. Quantity associated with the activity. To use the activity allocation capability, you must create activity types, which are the controlling master data objects. Also, both the sender and receiver cost centers should be set up with the same sender activity type. These things will be discussed in the cost center accounting training videos. That concludes activity allocation and this training video. Thank you. And if these videos are helping you on your SAP FICO training journey, please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the chat. Let me know how many years of SAP FICO training you have. Thank you all for your time. Until next time, peace.